Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Okay, here we are. Want to upgrade your brakes? This is a Harley caliper bracket. This goes on the forks. This is for a twin cam. God knows, up to 067 they do need an upgrade. Sold a lot of these. This here is a caliper that's applicable to this. So this basically will bolt onto these two recesses here, and then this will go on the forks, and the caliper is basically going to sit like this. There is a video actually he's fitted on one of the bikes we did with the billet wheels as well, the solid billet wheels. Beautiful looking bike, discus wheels. Okay, so this here, like I say, this is your twin cam bracket, your Evo bracket, bit simpler like that. Okay, this bolts onto the forks, caliper bolts through the same. Okay, calipers in polished like this without the finger marks, of course, when you buy them new. And this one here is this latest black finish. It's like a powder coat, all fully rebuildable again, as you can see from the bolts. Beautifully made calipers, pins for the pads, and also available in chrome. Chrome, to me, a bit of a waste of time in Britain with a salt solution, you know, that gets stuck on the roads and all the corrosion. Once the chrome starts coming off, they're pretty horrendous to clean up. This here is actually a rear mount. This is for a Dyna Evo. So basically your caliper would mount on here like so. Okay, so we do them for softails, baggers, you know, whatever bike you like. And we also, of course, do these fantastic brake upgrades. You screw in whatever end you want. Well, you can actually put that straight on a caliper with a straight coupler. And again, this one the same. We also recommend the .5 fluid because it doesn't take your paint off. It's way better quality. Harley stopped using it because obviously it costs a lot more, but it doesn't absorb water. It doesn't boil at such a low temperature, and also won't take your paint off. So .5 definitely the way to go there too. If you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.com. Thank you.